Welcome. If you're looking to share your Telegram group quickly and easily, copying your group's QR code is the way to go. With the latest Telegram update on PC, the process is more streamlined than ever. Let's walk through the steps together so you can start inviting new members in seconds. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, navigate to the group where you're an admin. Only admins have access to the group management features, so double-check your role if you don't see the right options. Once you're inside your group chat, look to the top right corner and click on the three dots. This will open up a menu with several options. From here, select Manage Group. This is where you'll find all the controls for your group settings. Inside the management panel, find and click on the Group Type section. This area lets you adjust privacy settings and access your group's invite link. Now you'll see your group's invite link displayed. Next to this link, there are three more dots. Click on them to reveal additional options. From the drop-down, choose Get QR Code. Telegram will instantly generate a unique QR code for your group. This code makes it easy for anyone to join your group just by scanning. Finally, to copy the QR code, simply click the Copy button. You can now paste this QR code wherever you like, whether it's in an email, on your website, or in a chat with friends. Anyone who scans it will be able to join your group instantly without needing to search for the link or type anything manually. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've made it incredibly simple for new members to join your Telegram group. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your community with this handy QR code feature.